Vlog is live!
Another day, another chance to explore great places, try amazing food, and explore the unexpected. And today, we are going to the National Museum of Qatar, Old Doha Port, Bax Park, sunset at the Museum of Islamic Art, and Souq Waqif. Isa nga intayon, but before that, let me introduce myself first. Hello everyone, it's Faithy, and join me as I explore my life, sharing the highs, the lows, and everything in between. Come along as I share my journey of exploring life. Alam kong curious ka na about our adventures today. At dahil tinuloy mong panoorin ang vlog ko, can I take this moment to ask you to like, share, and subscribe before we continue? Maraming salamat! Okay, first stop, we are heading to the National Museum of Qatar, one of the most iconic cultural landmarks in the Middle East, which showcases Qatari history from prehistoric times to modern development, including the Bedouin culture and pearl diving. Hello everyone, this is Faithy and we're here in Qatar National Museum. So, papasok kami. I'm with Hopi, Theo, and Manang Joy, Ate Joy. So let's go! And this is my outfit. Can you see? Ang laki ng tiyan. Anyway, I don't care. May pa-slit si madam. Oh. So let's go. I'm going inside. Quick overview lang about sa museum mga beshi. So ang total area nito ay 52,000 square meters o 560,000 square feet. This includes an old royal palace, ang Sheikh Abdullah bin Jassim Al Thani's palace, that preserved and embedded at the center of the new design. The museum is both a sculpture and a building, often referred to as an architectural wonder. And fun fact, the building's iconic interlocking disc design uses 539 curved panels, each one unique in size and shape. So, trivia, nakapunta na ako dito last 2019. Wala na yung flag doon. Tapos, wala to dati. Ayan, pag-picture taking lang kami. Ito ay idinisenyo ni Jean Nouvel at binuksan noong taong 2019. Siya rin ang nagdisenyo ng Lavra Abu Dhabi. Tama ba? Ang inspirasyon ng disenyo ng museum ay ang Desert Rose Formation, isang kakaibang likas na kristal na matatagpuan lamang sa lupain ng Qatar. Grabe talaga ang mga arkitektura dito sa Qatar o sa Middle East in general. Mapapawaw ka na lang talaga sa ganda at uniqueness ng mga buildings nila. Yung mata ko nakagano na lang kasi ang liwanag eh. Sabi ko kukuha ko ng sunglass. I forgot. So, and face corner. They struggle. Struggle of taking a picture. No. Okay, put it like that.
Yeah. Good job.
Going up. And this is the view. Charot. So, nakita nyo yung pinakita kong Desert Rose. Nakita ko kanina yung sa labas, di ba? Kung ano yung design, structural design. Wow, structural design. Just structural design ng sa labas and dito sa loob. Doon nila ginaya yung design ng building or museum. Galing mo, ang ganda. And according to Hopia na work dito, kinuha daw nila yung bato na yun sa desert. Wow, sa desert. Umuulan daw dito sa desert. Nagpo-form. Yun yung bato, yun na yun. Pino-form ng a little trivia. May paislip si bata. Ayun, picture taking sila. We're going inside na katapos ng i-scan ng ticket. Doon, ini-scan ni Kuya. Habang nililibot ko kayo, share ko na rin ang konting history and culture na makikita sa museum, which divided into 3 main parts: the beginning, life in Qatar, and the modern history of Qatar. And the beginning, the museum starts with Qatar's natural history, its rocks, fossils, plants, animals, and early human life from prehistoric times. Ang ikalawa ay life in Qatar. It shows how people live in the past, from Bedouin traditions and storytelling to falconry, fishing, pearling, and family life. You'll also learn about old customs and how tribes live together. And lastly, the modern history of Qatar. The final part focuses on modern Qatar, how oil changed the country, how Doha grew, and how Qatar became independent in 1971. It ends with Qatar's role in the world today and its future goals. Umiiyak si Tio kasi yun o, yung snake. Snake! It's a big snake like that. Oh, ganito siya. And there's that. The museum uses films, sounds, and interactive displays. You'll see life-size scenes like desert tents, sea journeys, and traditional markets. Natatakot si Dio, hindi siya bagay sa mga museum. I mean, sa mga ganito. Pero sa una pa lang naman. Oh, there's a crab, Dio.
Look at the turtle.
Oh, mga ano. Nagpicture kami using tripod kanina and may pumunta sa amin na bawal daw ang tripod. So, dito na lang muna ang bawal mag-tripod. Pero gagamitin pa rin namin mga pag nakalabas. Ganda sana mag-tripod tapos muni ka pumunta. Feeling ko may video na ako dyan dati. This mga bato. Okay, so boats and mankala. Ah, boat. Ay, kasang dagiji inukit dagiji kasta sinaunang tao. Ay, inukit ng mga sinaunang tao, parang yun yung, eto yung pinagdodrawing nila tapos kinuha na lang ng etong museum na to. Gets nyo ba? Kita nyo ba? I-detailed ko. Ayan yung drawing nila. Ayan, ang galing. Tapos kinuha na lang nila tong mga bato kung saan sila nag-drawing. Ayan. Okay, gets na namin. Ito. Tapos yan. Saan na yung boat? Ayan yung boat nila. Yan yung dinesign nilang boat. Ito siguro yun. Hindi ko lang ito alam kasi para siyang paa. So let's go to another. Masyadong matagal na tayo dito. Kakainin na yung oras. Ayan, parang banga-banga din. Banga ba tama? Yeah, banga. Banga-banga din nila. Ayan din dito. Ang dami. This is mga boat. Siguro yung mga ginamit nila. No? Hindi siguro talagang mga ginamit nila. And this is ito yung map. Mapa ng at the beginning of summer, people return to their homes and coastal settlements. At ito na yung mga camel. You know naman na ang Middle East sikat sa camel. Shoot. Ito naman yung mga ano nila. Suot. Ayan, kung nakita niyo yung metal kanina sa loob. Ay, basta sa labas before dito. Pinakita ko, ito yun. Yung malaking metal dun na naglalaro sila. They're playing. We have to do this. No. This is behind the scene.
Sige, wait. Wait lang. Video ha. Video heart matapos heart. Look on the other side.
The art? Oh. And the artist. Weaving. It's parang Benguet ba? Baguio. Basta Cordillera. Parang may pagka-similar siya sa Cordillera. Yan, picture taking ulit. There's Tio. And boat na naman. Charot. Tada! And ito, mga ocean like this. Ay. Oh. Boat. Wala. Saya naman. Saya's happy. Yan. Iya boy. Oh. Why? Ay, mga baril, oh. Ganyan sila noon. Siyempre, pag nasa museum ka, nasa unang panahon na talaga yan. Oo, diba? Different types of pearl. So, nasa 1960s na kami. Narinig ko lang yan. Actually, di ko alam na by year pala. By year pala siya. Narinig ko lang yung mga yun. And Try natin tingnan kung anong year na. Hindi ko makita. Here. Nasa 19. Oh, sakto. 1990 na. 90s. 1970s. 70s na. 70s na, hindi na 90s. May ganun pala. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Yung mga ano. Pwedeng i-touch. It's 1970. Kung paano nag-develop ang Qatar. Ayan na. Oh, Bakatit. Wala na. Oh, 1930. Oh, dun lang. Dun pa lang. Hanggang sa 1950 na. Hanggang palaki ng palaki. Ah, may mga andun pa. 1990s, ayan na. Tapos, walang 2024. Lahat na ng space, may mga bahay at buildings na for 2024. Kasali din ang Qatar Airways sa history ng Qatar. We're going to may mga flag na. Anong year na to? Ganun pala, may year every year, per year. Lahat ng mga napuntahan namin kanina, each year. Anong each year? Basta mga year. Dito namin sa high-tech area. Mga screen na, ganun. May mga media na. 1990s na. Yan. Ganun pala ang pattern. Sorry, late ko lang nalaman. Papa-scan ulit namin yung ticket. And this is my ticket. Ayan. It's inside. Wala. Dito. Wow! Oh my God! Wala to nung 2000. Yung music, tinatiming, ewan ko, yung music, tinatiming niya. Ano ba? Yung music ba or yung light? Basta yung light and music, nagtatiming pareho. Ganun yun. Tingnan mong pasikot sakit kasi Patty eh. Ayan. Ayun naman, kulit si Boy. Tiyo Boy. Nagbe-picture taking. The struggle is real when you have a kid. Pero the happiness is real naman if you have a kid too. You know. Iba pa rin yung ganyan kakulit kasi mamimiss mo daw. Sabi ng mga matatanda, mamimiss mo daw yung kakulitan. Pag nung bata na sila na ikaw lang yung gusto na nanay, pero pag matanda ka na, puro friends na yung kasama mo, ganun daw yun. Sabi ng mga matatanda, kaya ano ba? Ano na yung conclusion ko, guys? Kaya habang bata pa, i-enjoy nyo na lang. I-enjoy nyo silang kasama, kahit makulit. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nakalagay. The Old Palace. The Old Palace. Baka yun yung The Old Palace. Or dito. Guys, hindi ko alam. Going inside na. Ulit. Feeling ko, dito mismo sa labas yung mga building na nakikita nyo, yun yung The Old Palace. Siyempre yung palace, di ba? May mga branch. Guys, hindi ko alam yung nagsasabi ko. Seat. Going up. Details. Ayan guys, biglang dumami yung tao dito. The museum is a symbol of Qatar's culture and global goals. Its design and stories connect to the past, present, and future. It also supports Qatar's Vision 2030, helping build a modern, knowledge-based society. So kung balak nyong bisitahin ang museum, eto yung mga dapat nyong malaman. It's located along the Doha Corniche, malapit lang sa Museum of Islamic Art. Madali lang puntahan, sakay lang ng metro at bumaba sa National Museum Station. And you have to plan spending 2 to 3 hours, lalo na kung may events or screening na gusto nyong salihan. Lahat ng exhibits in Arabic and English, with audio guides din. At kung may kasama kayong kids, don't worry! Family-friendly siya, with interactive screens, open spaces, at mga display na pwedeng hawakan at i-explore. Habang ang ticket naman ay available online or pwedeng walk-in katulad sa amin. Ang mga non-residents typically pay 50 Qatar Riyals, while residents and those under 16 years old regardless of residency, they can enter for free. Non-resident students pay 25 Qatar Riyals. Waiting for Uber. Tapos na kami sa museum. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa Old Doha Port at Bucks Park. We're now here in Doha Port. May violet akong nasa side. May color violet. Ayun ang mga violet. There. Amazing! Oh yeah! Huh? Pagputik na! Well, ready ha? Thank you! Binigyan nila kami ng tinapay. Tata, di na makakasana na ni Tiyan. Di mga... Oh, isa! Isa na! Pwede na kaya ito. Tika na ito na. Ito na. Ako bawi. Pwede na. Nashot na yung simpa. Hayaan. This one. Nagbasit niya. This. Amazing! Naaladan. Ay, chicken na lang. We're in Chiquito. Baka naman Chiquito. May pa-free ka. Charot. Oh, we saw Barbie. Huh? Hi. Tia, go picture. Go there.
My trust issues run rampant. They say you'll find it when you least expect. Never knew what it meant. And still I walked right into my spot, and there you were with your headphones on like a dream come true. Hang me dry or leave me spinning it overnight. Just want a chance to make you dance like we're doing tonight. I can't get lost like I literally stuck in the road, but I'll bet you that one day we'll falling in love with each other at the laundromat.
So guys, lobat na ako, kaya mag-extra na ako. So, that's it for now because I'm lobat. I'm sorry. Pictures na lang. I will just show you the pictures. Sa puntong ito, palobat na ako, kaya konti na lang yung mga videos na nakuha ko.
Someone like you don't come often. Still I walked right into my spot, and there you were with your headphones on like a dream come true.
Dito kami ngayon sa Box Park daw. Park pala ba? Park. Box Park. Minit. Pagkatapos namin doon, dumiretso kami sa Museum of Islamic Art o MIA para panoorin yung sunset. This is free service. For your information, it's a free service. Sunset! After, pumunta kami sa souk para kumain ng kunafa, ang paborito kong dessert dito. So, if you're a tourist here in Qatar or planning to come here in Qatar, you must try this one. It's called kunafa. This is the sign, and it's a thumb sign, and this one. This is store. I don't know the store, but I will see it. This one, that one, this one. And this is the view. It has cheese like that. You should try it. Bye! And that's it, everyone! But my adventure doesn't stop here. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me as I explore my life, foods, and everything in between. Let's make more memories, try more foods, and explore more places next time. Kung may suggestions kayo, sabihin nyo lang sa comment section. And someone's watching me might need to hear this. Kaya before I end this video, I want you to know that you are loved. So if you're struggling right now, I hope you find your way to happiness and peace of mind kasi yan ang pinaka-deserve mo. Stay strong, kayaning lumaban araw-araw, and I will still see you on my next adventure. Once again, this is Faye and bye! Oops, wait! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!